Guys, you know, since ever I got this car, there's one thing that I didn't like on this car, and that is the sound of the exhaust. So this car is completely stock right now, but probably this is the last time you hear this car, you know, on stock, because I've got the downpipe. I have ordered the downpipe. It's gonna be delivered soon. Probably the next time you hear this car with the downpipe. I've got three inch downpipe, and this one is Scorpion downpipe. So let you hear the sound of the stock Golf if you never heard it.